Network issues are the most common cause of TVAPP 00148 errors. We'll start with basic network troubleshooting steps that resolve most connectivity problems. First, check your internet speed. Xfinity Stream requires at least 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. Slower speeds can cause connection errors and buffering issues. If your speed is adequate but you're still experiencing errors, restart your modem and router. This simple step resolves many connectivity issues by refreshing your network connection. Account and authentication issues are another common cause of TVAPP 00148 errors. Let's verify your account status and refresh your login credentials. Xfinity typically allows 5 concurrent streaming sessions. If you're getting authentication errors, you may have too many active sessions. Sign out of unused devices to free up streaming slots. Browser-related issues often cause streaming errors. Clearing your browser cache and updating to the latest version can resolve many problems. For mobile devices, force close the Xfinity Stream app and clear its cache. Make sure you have at least 1 gigabyte of free storage space for optimal performance. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the TVAPP 0148 error, it's time to contact Xfinity support. They can help with account-specific issues and server-side problems. Remember, most TVAPP 00148 errors can be resolved through these systematic troubleshooting steps. Start with network issues, then check your account, and finally try device-specific solutions before contacting support.